Thank you for coming. Welcome to HFR site. My name is Jongheon Lee, and today I'd like to talk about clouds. Yes, clouds. I'd like to talk about 5G management and operation. I have asked the question to this topic to how to manage and operate 5G to ChatGPT. And after a couple of seconds, it answered like this. Surprisingly, it seems pretty professional, isn't it? Right? It covers from network design to maintenance, and it kindly advises that we better work with the experts. Okay? Yeah, all these steps are necessary, and each advice is pretty helpful. However, these are pretty much limited to the perspective of network management and operation. So I'd like to point out some other important considerations in the perspective of 5G users. That is to say, my job is still secure. Okay, it's important to understand why enterprise deploy 5G. Recently, we are seeing very rapid evolutions in connectivity, computing, and intelligence technology. And as you know, the 5G will provide a secure, reliable, and dedicated connectivity which can be used unlimitedly under the control of the enterprise. However, the enterprise are not interested in 5G itself. They want to combine those technologies to realize digital transformation for business outcomes, such as reduced cost, increased revenue, and accomplishing sustainable growth. So the purpose of the deployment of 5G is to create business outcomes, and enterprise want to take advantage of application, not just the connectivity itself. Okay, so let's think about what you have to do in this broad and user-centric perspective. Besides network operation and management, I'm sorry about that. Besides network operation and management tasks, I would like to point out. Thank you. I'd like to present 4 challenges in managing and operating 5G. The first one is tailoring connectivity to application. Please take a look at the picture on the right. This is a very well-known illustration that shows the relationship between the property of 5G, connectivity, and applications. For using this application properly, the enterprise require tailored connectivity, and this is obvious because the tailored connectivity is one of the key advantages of 5G. So I would say the capability to provide advantage required service quality is needed. It might include network slice lifecycle management and QoS control for each application. 5G should be appropriately integrated with other technologies based on the business intent of enterprise, but enterprise feel the difficulties in integrating and operating the 5G with other systems. This challenge is very difficult to resolve, but it is clear that the fragmented and siloed management system will add to the difficulties. So it is important to align and monitor and control not only private 5G network components, but also the all necessitated resources such as connected devices, computing, and application. Another challenge is related to the economy of scope of infrastructure and platform. Since enterprises have to increase the utilization and value of infrastructure and platform they have, and they will continuously look for new innovative service for more outcomes. So we need to concentrate on how to enable advanced application and standard service. Let me give you an example of an advanced service. If an application could aware the user's location and the task to do or the other situational data, it's possible to provide customized function to user's context. They call this kind of application as context-aware applications. In order to do this, the private 5G should be integrated or linked to other related platforms such as IoT or smart building platform. And as an extended service, the roaming will enhance significantly the utilization of private 5G with limited coverage. There are three kind of deployment and operation private 5G model. Enterprise can choose an own and operation model or a managed service or a hybrid. Hybrid means here a combination of the best part of both models. Interestingly, the distribution of enterprise preference is pretty even. According to the survey result from STL partners, as you can see in this chart. This means that we cannot identify the dominant model for now, and even in the future, we can expect a mix of operation model because enterprise will choose it based on their own capability. So it is crucial to support the diverse operational model with flexibly configurable architecture and the authorization for various kind of actors. So far, I have pointed out 4 challenges in managing and operating 5G. Do you remember them? Probably not. The first one was tailoring connectivity to application. Second one is managing and operating end-to-end. The third one was enabling advanced application and services. And the last one was supporting diverse operation models. These challenges require new tools, something new functionality different from network-focused OSS and BSS for homogeneous, universal, and best effort connectivity services. So now I would like to introduce our approach to address these challenges. This is a conceptual structure of deploying and operating private 5G to explain our approach. It looks very complex to figure out, but give me just 5 minutes. 6 minutes at the least. Let's take a look at the devices at the bottom. The devices are connected to the private 5G, and the management of this private 5G network is handled by EMS and NMS, Element Management System and Network Management System. The Service Management Platform or SM platform in the center of this structure is a set of functions I will explain in a minute. We need to consider on-premise computing for application, and public network also need to be considered. SOC and NOC stand for Service Operation Center and Network Operation Center, and these are necessary to manage multiple customer sites. We need to also consider third-party platforms such as indoor positioning or smart building platforms. And the application portal can be regarded as a business platform to trade and deploy application like a digital marketplace. And we need to consider a lot of different type of actors, such as enterprise administrator, the operator, service users, and device manager. The operator can be a designated person from customer company or the person from managed service provider. Another important actor is an external network owner, such as another private 5G owner or public network operator. Receiving a service order from the administrator, the operator manages the order the service using SOC or NOC or local service management platform. In managed service model, the operator must be a service provider and he or she uses NOC or SOC. And in self-managed model, the operator can directly use the SM platform in a corresponding customer site. The basic function of SM platform is service fulfillment, order fulfillment and service assurance, simply order down and full up. The user traffic go to and come from the on-premise computing or public network, and SM platform can monitor and control the user application traffic in conjunction with the packet inspection. SM platform can gather operational data not only from private 5G but also other partner platform to enable data-driven intelligence applications such as context-aware application. Enterprise can sign up or to buy an application, then the application installed and onboarded into the on-premise computing automatically. And enterprise also deploy the advanced service such as roaming based on the contract with the external network owner. All this information about this contract delivered to service management platform or SOC, and then SOC and SM platform manage the service with the requested service quality. Using blockchain technology or smart contract technology, the variety of the service agreement can be managed reliably and automatically. As you may be aware of, the SM platform plays a key role in our approach. Recently we released the version 3. These are the basic functions of our version 3. Along with the basic connectivity management functions, it provides unique function for tailored connectivity and service management. And furthermore, it enables advanced application and support diverse business operation model. Okay. Our Private 5 solution is focusing on the digital transformation of SME. For SMEs, a holistic and user-centric approach is much more important than big organizations considering their capability. So I hope we get a chance to discuss about the SM platform in detail and digital transformation of SMEs in the near future. Thank you so much. Thank you.